Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Maps and confirming location and camera permissions. This lets Live View overlay directions. Once done, enter directions and pick a walking or compatible route because Live View works best there. Make sure the blue dot is visible and calibrated. If it's off, rotate slowly until it recenters. Then tap the Live View AR icon to launch the camera overlay. Now you're in the augmented navigation interface, and you should hold your phone vertically and scan the environment so the app can match on-screen features to the real world. This alignment reduces drift. As you walk, follow the AR arrows and distance markers. These update in real time so you know which way to turn and how far to go. Once you reach intersections, glance at the minimap for context and to confirm alternate routes. If tracking slips, stop, reframe the scene, and tap Live View to relock the overlay. That restores precision quickly. To finish, switch back to the standard map view to save battery and reduce camera usage. Your route remains active. If Live View won't start or drifts, restart the app and toggle location and camera permissions. This often fixes permission or sensor hiccups. Make sure you're in an open area with visible landmarks, enable Wi-Fi for better positioning, and recalibrate the compass if needed. If problems persist, reboot the phone. Most remaining issues are resolved by refreshing sensors and connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.